So today I'm just gonna finish up on my last video. I had just got done with the angle kit on the E46 and I tried to go drive the car and I could not get it to move. So I was doing some research and I think I just forgot to put a ground back. Okay, so I don't really want to leave the cone filter the way I did. It's not really sturdy. It's kind of wobbling around a lot, so I kind of want to fix that, because if not, I'm gonna have to buy the same boot later again. And so for right now, I'm trying to figure out how I want to tie it. I'm looking for zip ties. I can't really find any. I think I'm gonna have to go run to the store and get some. I tried using the stock airbox to try to just hold it up. That didn't really work either. The stock airbox just holds it way too far up, so I cannot put that under the intake. So I think I gotta go get some zip ties to hold that up, and then I could move the car out of here. I have to work on the EP3. I have to lift it, so that's one thing that we're gonna do today. I'm gonna try to come back and work on this thing later, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna have time for that. It is pretty early in the morning. I don't have anything distracting me today, so I should be able to get it done. Hopefully that holds everything in place. Hopefully that holds the intake in place, because if not, I'm gonna have to try to figure something else out. And if nothing works, I'm gonna have to go buy a new intake box, and that's really expensive, and I just spent the 50 bucks on the K&N filter, so I'm not really trying to go pick something else up. Alright, so now seeing this car out on the street, I see that definitely gotta pull the toe back on the front tires, and I definitely need to adjust the caster in the wheels. But I've been giving the drift car way too much attention lately, so I gotta do some stuff to the EP3. I took it to Wyoming because I needed to go take a test, and I ended up wearing out one of the tires because my brother has been using the EP3 for roughly the past 4 months, and when I first let him use it, he lifted the front but did not take it to get aligned. He kind of went through one tire, and I didn't realize that till I started using the car. So I definitely have to, one, raise the car all evenly. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. If I have time, which I should, I don't think it's gonna take that long, but if I have time, I will go back and work on the drift car for a while. Today I wanted to pull out everything from the interior so that it's just lighter. Working on the drift car is nice and everything, but it's just been taking way too much time away from me, just because there's so much that I've done to it, and there's so much adjusting that I have to do now because of all the parts that I put. I basically put a whole new front control system, so there's definitely gonna be a lot of adjusting to do, and there's definitely gonna be a lot of things that I have to go over. I never realized how light these wheels were. They're actually really light. They weigh like 20, maybe 25 pounds each. All the wheels for the BMWs are heavy. Stock ones on the E90 are probably like, I don't know, like 20, maybe 30 pounds. The E46 probably around 30, 35, and then the E90s, the ESRs on the E90s are like almost 60 pounds each. Those are heavy. Alright, so it looks like I probably should wash this first, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that loose at all. Alright, so that was a lot quicker than expected. So I'm done with the EP3. I brought the E46 back here. I want to throw everything away from the interior. I'm gonna see if Wyatt's down to come and help me. He said he wanted to help me just destroy the interior, but I'm gonna see if he wants to today, or if not, then I guess I'll go ahead and do it. But he said he wanted to come and help when I started doing that. This morning was cool, but that's about it. I'll take pictures of this. Why? Alright, so like I said earlier, I was gonna gut out the car today, and I guess we're gonna load everything on the EP3 and go dump everything in that. I don't think it's gonna be too much stuff. The back seats do fold forward, so we should have enough room. If not, I mean, I guess we could strap the stuff on the roof.
Everything about you.
take a while.
Why?
Yeah, I can't find them. I thought I found the screws, but I found this one. This seems to be loose now, but fuck it. I'm just gonna start ripping shit. All right, fuck it. I don't need these seats anyways. I'm just gonna pry them out. Alright, I'm just gonna show you guys what I did real quick. The clip right here, and on the other side, same place, like right there. So put a pry bar in, pry it out. Be careful, you got cables. I started pulling on the harness on that side, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna pry the bottom one out. Alright, so I think we're right about done. Doors are definitely lighter. I just swung that open. That feels definitely lighter. All these trim pieces are also going. So this is what the interior looks like as of right now. I literally tried to rip everything out that I could. There's the trunk. So for right now, really, I just want to rip out everything from the back seats back, because up front, I'm still not sure exactly what I want to do. I know I want to rip out the carpet, but I need to pull the seats out, and I don't want to pull the seats out if I don't have seats to replace them, because I don't want to take the same seats back and put them back in. Later, once I find seats that I want to put in this car, I'll take out the carpet and a lot of the stuff up front. But for right now, this will do. I can't drive the car anyways. One of the wheels is rubbing on the coils, and my alignment is just really bad. My tires rub on both fenders, so I really can't move the car, so the car's just gonna kind of sit here for a while. So we're gonna try to load all this stuff onto the EP3. I'm gonna go inside, get a garbage bag. Maybe we can put some of the smaller things in the garbage bags and then just the big plastics in the EP3, because this is a lot of shit. Oh, my bad. This is a lot of stuff. All right, we loaded up the EP3. You literally cannot see back.
No.
At all. But the car definitely feels a lot lighter.
I'm like, where's the shifter? It feels weird. I don't even feel like I'm in gear.
I put a short shifter on it, so it's gonna feel really short.
It feels fucking way short, dude. It feels so far back from the dash, the steering wheel.
Yeah, the wheel's so, I don't know, I think it's because it's
Huge.
so fucking,
The hub's long.
the extension and the wheel is really, really far back.
Feels like a go-kart. Feels like go-kart, the wheel's like right up on you. That guy's such a weirdo, bro.
Yeah, there's nothing back there anymore. Alright, so took a trip to town, got some spacers. This should be enough to clear at least the coilover. I think those are like 5 millimeters, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I don't know how easy this is gonna be because those are bolts, not studs, so I can't rest these on there. But I'm gonna try my best to get them to stay, and hopefully that clears the coilover, because I really want to drive this. So the spacers didn't work because the studs were too short, so we came up with another alternative. So we put the spare tire, just because this is the one that's rubbing. So on the other side it didn't rub, this side it did. It's not like we're gonna go try sliding very much. We're just gonna try to see if everything is on properly and how it drives.
Bye, baby. What is that, your fender?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not the coil?
No.
It just sounds bad.
It smells like burnt tire.
Yeah, let's stop.
Plastic.
Stop and we'll give it a check it.
Yeah. Just a fender?
The bumper on the fender.
No, it looks fine over here. You need to give it a little roll. You got a baseball bat at home? Give it a little roll.
I have a roller.
You got a baseball bat? It is what it is. Let's fucking try to do a little burnout out of here.
Right.
See what happens. Oh fuck. We need to take it to a dirt lot. But we do fix your fender first.
Alright guys, so as of right now, I don't have anything to do to the E46 anymore. Wyatt said he wanted to go have a photo shoot, but I might not vlog that. If I don't vlog that, check out my Instagram. Both Instagrams are down in the description. It's been kind of a long day. I've been working on this thing for the whole week, so I've kind of had a long week. I know I didn't show any drifting content. I know I don't have any drifting content, but for one, the clutch is out. Two, I have an open diff. And three, the car just isn't running properly. So if you guys want to see drifting content, go down below, subscribe, and I promise you guys drifting content will be coming soon. For today guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for making it to the end. If you like the video, hit that like button. Go down and comment guys. I'm always active in the comment section. Keep up with the channel guys. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.